everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Charlotte here, and today I'm going to be walking around the Burstner B66 744 TD. So some of the key features of this vehicle: it's a rear lounge layout. It's measuring in at 7.36 metres in length. It's 4.5 tonne, so it does require the C1 licence. As well as this, it's an 180 brake horsepower vehicle. So this vehicle is a 4-berth with 4 seat belts. We're talking around through some of the specification on the exterior. As you can see, it is very beautifully finished from the outside as well as the inside. But we've got the lovely grey metallic paint here. Two-tone 16-inch Fiat Ducato alloys. Moving along the side, as you can see, we've got the stunning B66 decals. I love the sort of gold colour that we have going on here. There's an electric welcome step just by the habitation door. You've got a full Omnister awning in black casing, and you've also got an awning light strip, so that actually goes full way across the awning, which is a nice touch. Here you'll find a barbecue point, and you actually have a TV point here, so if you do plan to park up somewhere for a few days, you can pull out the awning, get the deck chairs out. And you've got an electrical source there as well. This is the garage at the back. Now, with the vehicle being a rear lounge, you still do have a very generous garage, as you can see. For storage, there's a few bits in there at the moment. So at the back, we have the reversing camera. Now, as well as this, there's an 100-watt solar panel on the roof, and it does come equipped with a lithium leisure battery. So if you do plan to go off-grid, you have plenty of capability for that. You have access, dual access to your garage, and as you can see here, we have the framed windows, which is great if you're driving down those narrow roads. Your external shower point is situated just right beside your gas bottles, and as you can see, you've got capacity for 2 big bottles in there as well. So the driving experience of the Burstner, we'll have everything up here for seamless driving experience. So if you are going on those long trips, rest assured, it is a nice driving experience for you. So talking through some of the features, there's an electric park brake just over here. On your steering wheel, it's finished in lovely leather trim. You've got your cruise control with your speed limiter, and then you've got your voice recognition for your hands-free. It is a fully automatic vehicle with this one in particular. And then down here, we've got our hill descent, our traction plus, and our lane keep assist. We've got automatic lights and automatic windscreen wipers, which always come in handy. And then we've got our Pioneer infotainment system. So that's all fully touchscreen. And in this, you have Apple CarPlay with your Android Auto, and you've got your DAB radio there too. So we have 2 superb lounges with this vehicle. This is our front lounge. So this is where your seatbelts are situated. With it being a 4-seat belt. This table is adjustable, so you can move that out really depending on where people are sitting to get in and out. And then just above me is our electric drop down bed. So it drops down as far as here. And then you've also got a drop down bed in the back lounge. Your main control panel is situated just beside the habitation door. It's very user friendly. It's very easy to use to monitor your battery levels and your water levels. Beside that is our Truma control panel. So this vehicle actually runs off diesel and electric, and so all tying in with the lithium battery and the solar panel. It is very well equipped to go off grid with the diesel source for the heating. There's USB ports there too, and you've got a swivel bracket for your TV if you'd like to get one of those fitted. This is our automatic three-way fridge, so it'll run off your gas, your electric, or your battery. If you switch it over to automatic, it'll find whichever source is available. This is our kitchen setup, so really clever concept here with your sliding out cupboard drawers. You have additional storage there. Your sinks here. It's a 3-ring gas burner, and then you have your oven and grill. So our bathroom area is in the middle of the 2 lounges, and you can close this door over. That closes off the front lounge, gives you that wee bit of privacy, and you also have a sliding door here, so to close the full bathroom area off. The shower is over at one side, and then our toilet is over at the other side. And as you can see, it is very spacious. This is our rear lounge setup. I've just got the wee table pulled across, but if that's not in use, that slides over and joins the wall there. You've got USB ports down there and a 3-pin plug. Your garage is underneath these seats, as I was showing you earlier. And then you've got an additional drop-down bed over the back lounge. So that is our Burstner B66 744. This range has been like hotcakes. They're flying out the door. They're very popular for this year. I mean, they've only just arrived for this year as well. But yeah, if you have any further inquiries, get in touch with us, check out the website. But if you have any inquiries, just give us a shout on 028 92 69 3999. And if you press through the option 1, that'll get you through to sales.